Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online tricks and tutorials. So today I want to show you legit Bitcoin earning sites whereby you just register, you don't pay anything, you just do surveys the way we do surveys and you get paid. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I may be able to produce more cool content. If you're a beginner, go through my content and you'll find things to help you start off with your survey journey. So let's go to into the video. So our first site, as usual, is Freecash. As you know, Freecash offers instant payment. The only mode of verification on Freecash is through phone number verification, and it's one-time verification. Always use a static IP while working on Freecash, and it's a very good site for earning Bitcoin among other cryptocurrencies. So, and rewards, you can check here, check cash out. You see, under rewards you can get they offer Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Dogecoin, and also can withdraw using the stake.com and so many other features. So our next site is Swagbucks. Swagbucks can pay. First of all, for Swagbucks you need a permanent number, because they require verification in every cash out, and also you require a static IP, because if you change your IP and their bot recognizes that you have changed your IP, they request you to do identity verification. So when working on Swagbucks, make sure you have a static IP and a permanent number, which you can be able to use it to verify you are seeing every cash out. So they offer payments in crypto, crypto vouchers, specifically Bitcoin vouchers. So let me open it and see. This is Swagbucks. Let's go to the rewards home here. You see, under crypto, today we are concentrating on the sites which pay in Bitcoin. You see, they have various crypto vouchers like this one here. So you can be able to withdraw using Bitcoin voucher, and the withdrawal takes around 1 to 3 days there to receive your reward. Remember, Swagbucks requires a permanent number for verification in each cash out, and in case you want to withdraw using PayPal, you require a verified PayPal of the country in which you have created your Swagbucks account on. Very important. So our next site is dollar.co. I did a review of this site the other day. It pays in various cryptocurrencies. Yes, so we click here shop and you can see the various cash out option. Don't ask to log in. So I think I have to log in for me to see, but dollar.co offers payment in various cryptocurrencies, PayPal, and also using Bitcoin. So you can have a look at them, but mostly people here use Litecoin, but they also offer cash out using Bitcoin, and the cash out is instant and they don't require any form of verification. So our next site is this one, Cointipre. Cointipre is another good site for earning Bitcoin. You can even they tell you here, earn free Bitcoin, and you mainly earn Bitcoin through doing surveys as usual, and the minimum cash out is around I think $5 or 50,000 points, and it requires a static IP. If you're going to work on Cointipre, make sure you have a static IP, because they ban accounts very easily during cash outs. The next one is Gaintipre. This one is a very nice one. They offer multiple cash out options, and our main interest today is Bitcoin. So let's see how it rolls here. So this is the Gaintipre. You can see the main cash out option here is Litecoin. They have Bitcoin. You can cash out using Binance, BUSD, PayPal, bank transfer. Remember, the only verification here is phone number verification. The phone number verification is one time, and they also require facial verification. I already did a video about sites and their verification procedures. You can go back to my channel and check the previous videos I have posted. I've explained how to verify on Gainpray. But the main, you can also cash out using Bitcoin, free Bitcoin here. Very, very easy. Once you do surveys, just cash out here, and the cash out is instant. Very, very instant. Then another site for instant cash out is rootup.me. This Rootup here is a very good earning site. You just do surveys and cash out using Bitcoin. You can see among the cash out option is among them is Visa, Amazon, Walmart, Google Play, PayPal, and Bitcoin. And remember, also this one requires a static IP, and if you're cashing out using PayPal, make sure you use a verified PayPal of the country in which you have created your Rootup account. If it's a USA account, make sure you use a USA verified PayPal when you're doing when you're cashing out through PayPal. But for crypto, you don't need a PayPal. Just make sure you have a static IP and you cash out into your crypto wallet very easily. Cash out takes around 3 days or less. Another site I like working on is Pay2Task. Pay2Task have various cash out options. They have PayPal and cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin. Also Binance. You can cash out your earnings in form of USDT, and you can use that USDT to buy Bitcoin on Binance. That's why I included Pay2Task on this site. Remember, Pay2Task is the only site whereby they don't require any form of verification. They don't ask you for number verification. They don't ask you for identity verification. They don't ask you to fill a Google form, which is reviewed during your cash out. So if your Google form is not well filled, your cash out is held or you're banned. And they don't require use of jumpers on their platform, because they are going to ban you very easily. Another one is GC Root. Recently they updated their cash out options, and their cash out is now instant, and they support cashing out through PayPal and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Bitcoin and Bitcoin. You see, they have so many cash out options. They offer gift cards. You can cash out using PayPal, and so many options. GC Root, you can cash out using PayPal or crypto. Minimum GC Root and Zoombucks, they're owned by the same people. So on Zoombucks, remember, use a static IP. Don't use survey bots or jumpers. And if you're cashing out using Bitcoin, you're going to get your cash out instantly. If you're using PayPal, make sure you use a verified PayPal of the country in which you created your Zoombucks account on. But the main thing is to use a static IP, and you can be able to cash out using Bitcoin. When cashing out using Bitcoin, you don't require any PayPal. It's very, very easy. So Zoombucks, and then my last site today is superpay.me. Remember, superpay.me, your first cash out has to be through a verified USA PayPal, and the name of that PayPal should match with the name on your superpay.me profile, and that acts as a form of verification. After you do that, they also require you to do an identity verification, whereby they ask you to send your driver's license, and they send you a link to upload your documents. Once you verified your second cash out, you can do it through Bitcoin and so many other cash out options. So this one is another good earning site called superpay.me. Superpay.me and rewardingways.com. Rewardingways.com, they work the same. They are owned by the same people, and the verification is the same, and their payment options is the same. First cash out has to be through PayPal, a verified PayPal with the same profile as your account, and you have to, and then they ask you to verify your identity. From there, you can be able to withdraw using Bitcoin and other options. So guys, those are my few major free Bitcoin earning sites that I have for you today. I'll keep adding more. I'll keep making video of more sites where you can earn Bitcoin. So for now, those people who like earning on using Bitcoin like me, those people who like cryptocurrency like me, these are good sites to start your crypto journey and accumulate your coins during this bear market. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video. Thank you.